Hi, my name is Leanne, and this week our meditation topic is me whom others do not like. When I first came across this topic, I was a little resistant to reflect on it because this is actually a deeper fear that I've had for a long time, is kind of worrying that people don't like me, and worrying that people are gonna leave me or abandon me or something like that. So I worried that reflecting deeper on this topic would make me see all of the ways in which I'm unlikable and therefore confirm that I'm undeserving and everyone is just gonna, abandon me or something. So I was a little scared to dive deeper into this topic, but actually what I learned throughout my meditation journey was this exact fear that I carried for a long time. It caused me to build up a lot of walls around people. So in my interactions with people, I was very guarded and I was untrusting, I was skeptical, I could be very accusing of others, even though they had done nothing wrong. And what I also realized is carrying that kind of negative energy can actually make people very uncomfortable because they really didn't do anything to deserve it. So that trait itself is actually pretty unlikable. So the thing that I was afraid of, I was sort of manifesting in a way. So I had to let go of all of those pictures from throughout my life that told me I wasn't good enough or that people were not to be trusted. And once I let those go, I was able to let my guard down more and be more accepting of others and more trusting of others. And that made it much easier to interact and made other people to feel more comfortable around me as well. I also want to add that what I also learned is reflecting on this topic doesn't mean putting yourself down, because that's how I kind of felt at first. But I really think it's more letting go of the false self, because the truth self really doesn't have those things. True self doesn't have jealousy, inferiority, bitterness, all of those things. So letting go of those parts of me, it's really not even the real me, it's the false me. So there's nothing to feel bad about. And that was something that made it much easier for me to reflect and let go, because doing it without the mind of shame or guilt and just seeing like, oh, that's not even really me anyway. So it's much easier to see it from a bigger perspective and then let go of it from there. So don't feel bad if there are parts that you think others don't like. It's not really you anyway. So I'm looking forward to meditating more on this topic, and I hope you enjoy your meditation.